Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Zerion Wallet application. If you want to enable the dark mode for your Zerion Wallet, first open the Zerion Wallet application and enter your passcode. Once you're inside the main homepage of Zerion Wallet, it'll show you a default white background. To change that into something dark, go and tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. From the settings menu, tap on appearance under security. Now select the dark option from the top of the screen and you'll be able to see that your Zerion Wallet application has now turned on the dark mode. That is how you can easily enable or turn on dark mode on Zerion. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.